Welcome to day 12 of 100 days of Power BI. I'm super excited. For the next couple of days, at least for the next 3 days or 3 next live stream, we won't be doing so much learning, but we'll be studying a case study which is analyzing customer churn in Power BI. Let's assume you have a business and your customers are actually leaving your business or not patronizing you anymore, or probably patronizing a competitor. So that is customer churning in the real world setting. So let's get back to learning. We have a lot to cover. Without further ado, let's get started.
Hello, my name is Yasin and I'll be your instructor for this case study. So, what is a case study exactly? A case study allows you to apply your skills. You won't learn any new concepts, but you'll have to combine skills you learned earlier and practice them to solve a real-world problem. In this case, you'll apply the techniques from these courses. There are 5 different steps in the data analysis flow. You'll learn how to apply them using Power BI. Normally, it is good to start your analysis by doing a data check to make sure the data you received makes sense and is ready to work with. For example, you can check for duplicate values or missing values and do a sense check with other internal data sources. Then, you move on to data exploration. The best way to explore the data is to ask yourself different questions. An example question could be, does an increase in revenue also lead to an increase in profit? You'll also build your first visualizations in this step. The next step is to analyze and visualize your data. It's key to choose the right visualization to convey a message. This step also enables you to dig deeper into certain topics to make sure you don't miss any insights. Now that you have built an analysis, the next step is to portray your analysis clearly in one or more dashboards. The final step is to communicate your insights with stakeholders. The problem you will be working on in this course is customer churn. You'll be using a fictitious churn dataset from a telecom provider called DataBell. You are hired as a consultant and your task is to analyze why customers